Once upon a time, in a feathery village way up in the mountains, there lived a kind Prince Feathers. He was a kind prince, but he was lonely. His parents had passed years and years ago, and it was high time that he find himself a queen. I need to find myself a queen. I just don't know how to do these things. Well, in flew his cousin Frita. "Hello, cousin. How are you today?" "Oh, I'm lonely. Cousin Frita, I need to find myself a queen." "Oh, but of course. I have a brilliant plan." And she whispered in his ear, "Psst, psst, 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 psst." Cousin Frita knew how to throw royal balls and knew all about parties. She knew her cousin, the Prince Feathers, didn't know anything about it. "Well, if we can do that, it would be great." "Leave it all to me. I have the secret plan. I'm going to tell you everything." Psst, 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 psst. "That sounds great." "All right, cousin. Off I go. Goodbye." "Goodbye. Thank you, Cousin Frita." And off he flew. Well, it wasn't long before Prince Feather's plan fell into place. First you'll see Little Orange Bird. "Oh, I got 2 feathers in the mail from Prince Feathers. They make me look so wonderful." And she admired herself in the bird bath. And soon her friend Greenbird flew in. "Look at me, Orange Bird. I got 3 feathers from the prince. I look so beautiful." "Oh, yes, you do." And they both admired each other in their bird bath. "May the best bird win." And off they flew. Well, soon a whole flock of sisters flew in to the bird bath to admire their reflection. "We're getting ready for the ball. All 4 of us should do very, very well." Some put feathers on their feet, some made a skirt, some made hair ribbons, and all they could do was admire themselves. "We look so beautiful." And off they flew. And in flew Bluebird. "Oh, I have so many feathers. I have so many." "Yes, you do. How come you got so many?" "Well, the prince must love me better than everyone because he gave me so many." That's not fair." "Well, may the best bird win." And they flew off. It was the day of the ball, the royal ball, and the prince entered the palace. "And who will dance with me first?" said Prince Feathers. "Oh, but me, of course. Do you love all my feathers that you sent me?" "They look very nice." And they danced, and they danced, and they danced, until another bird came over. "Oh, but it's my turn. I only have 2, but that's better than none. Goodbye." She butted in, and they danced. And then 2 more sisters came by. "We like to dance too." The prince was getting exhausted. "Well, thank you, ladies, but I think I will step outdoors for a bit." And so he left and flew off to go outside. It was a clear evening sky out in the patio of the palace. Cousin Frita flew in, whom nobody knew. "Well, hello, little Bluebird." Bluebird wouldn't even make eye contact with her. "Oh, I see you have 5 feathers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you should share with me. See, I have none, okay? See?" Well, Bluebird didn't have anything to do with her. "Buzz off. I don't want to talk to anyone like you. Go away. I'm not sharing." Well, Frita went to the next bird, Greenbird. "Listen here. You have 3 feathers. Don't you think you should share and just give me 1? Are you kidding me? The prince gave me these 3 feathers, and I'm rocking it, man. Look at those 3 feathers. Woo, woo! No way! I'm keeping mine. Well, all right then. So, Cousin Frita went to the orange bird, who only had 2 feathers. Oh, orange bird, you have 2 feathers. Couldn't you spare just 1? No way! I only have 2. No way. No. Well, Cousin Frita was about to fly away, when all of a sudden another bird stopped her. Wait a minute. I am a little bluebird, and I only have 1 feather, and it's not much. But I am so willing to give it to you, for I feel that you need it more than I do, and if it makes you happy, I will. After Frita received her feather from the little bluebird, she thanked her. Thank you so kindly. It was your only feather, and you gave it to me. How sweet you are. I shall be off. I need to go and find somebody. You are the dumbest bird ever. You gave away your only feather? Yeah, what are you thinking? Well, I think she needed it more than I did. Everyone was gathered in the royal palace. The king was waiting for his cousin Frita for advice. In she flew. Of course, nobody knew that that was his cousin, and she had some news for him. Psst, 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 and she whispered in his ear. I am looking for a bird that I want to dance to. I cannot find her. Soon the cousin flew over and got her new friend out from behind. And the prince danced with her. They got to know each other. He really, really enjoyed her company. He knew that she was the bird for him. She didn't need fancy feathers. She didn't need anything. She was lovely the way she was. Her heart was kind. She was a loving bird, and he loved her more than anything. And the 2 of them got married and lived happily ever after. The end. Hi guys! So today our letter is the letter F, which says for feather and flower. Hi guys! Jerome here. How's it going? Okay, so we are going over the little F, which says for feather, and we're going to practice writing it. And you know what's cool is you can use it to make a feather, which Ellie's going to show you later today, okay? So, you remember our story, Prince Feathers, okay? He was looking for a wife, and he was at a ball, and all the ladies were after him. Here's an example. And he ended up marrying the one that didn't have all the fancy feathers, okay? She had a wonderful heart. All right. Okay, goodbye, birdies. Thank you. Okay, so you can make one of these. Have a big person help you. Just get a piece of paper, have them draw a clock near the top of the page, so about half the page up there, okay? And then we're going to start at the 2. Okay, I'm going to have you use the red one just so they can see. Okay, assistant, circle the 2 so they can see where to start. Okay, we'll call that the cherry. Now, you're going to start at the 2, you're going to go loop around the 12, then go straight down, and then you're going to put a line right toward the honey line. Okay, you ready? I'll hold it. Loop around the 12 and go straight down, and then start from here and go across toward the honey line. Okay? There's a big, it's a little, but it's large, like I made it big. Okay, so here's our little, okay, remember it loops around the 12, okay? All right, now, I got something here. Assistant, you're kind of, be careful.
Thank you. Okay, can you get my flower, please? Okay, here's a pan of flour. So you can write with different things. Yeah, it doesn't always have to be paper. Okay, so go ahead and pat it. Okay, we're going to start like we did. We're going to go up, around, go straight down. Okay, start over here and go toward the honey line. Okay, and then you can pat it. And you can do it again, over and over. It's a little messy, but it's really fun. Okay, so we'll set that aside. Okay, and then we've got some practice on our cover letter sheets. You remember we fold it in half. Take the half and fold that in half. Okay, zoom in, please. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so for the little we're going to have the clock on top, okay? And so you start at the 2 or the cherry, go up around the 12, go straight down, and then cross over. Yeah, try it again. Start at the 2, loop around the 12, go straight down, and cross over. And then you have one with just a cherry, cross over, and then you have one without anything. So you get practice without anything, okay? And then on the bottom portion, I have a big for a big feather. All right, this is a line letter, so don't forget to practice your lines. Remember, Ellie went over this. You can do this side right to the honey and also top to bottom. Top to bottom all the way down to the honey line at the bottom. Okay, so here we go. Focus. Yeah, there you go. Starting at the top, go down. You could jump up and just go over to the honey line. Okay, start at the top, go down, jump up, and just go boom, boom. And one more. What? That got a little crazy, but that's okay. Okay, there's our big for a big feather. Bye-bye, guys.
Oh, hello there. Ellie here. I have the letter for flowers. And I also have the letter for food. Food. My favorite assistant. Food, anywhere, food. Ah, thank you. Grilled cheese, my favorite.
Hi guys, Jerome here. Okay, it's time to review our sounds. Yeah! All right, remember, this is B for bumblebee, K for cat, D for dog, and F for feather. Okay, here we go. B, K, D, F. Okay, let's go faster. B, K, D, F. Faster. B, K, D, F. B, K, D, F. Jerome. Yeah, Ellie. Jerome, I'm trying to read. Oh, sorry. Okay, bye, guys.
Hello, Ellie here, and we are going to do artwork. Oh, it's so much fun. We're going to make a feather. You see, here's our example, and you can design it any way you want. It's modeled from a feather, but this is just a regular feather. We're going to make a fancy feather. Okay, so you get a piece of paper. Okay, we'll move this one aside. And we're going to start with a cherry right about here. Okay, yeah. Nice. Okay, very good. And then let's get your dark marker of some color. All right. And then start at the cherry. Go up to the tippy top. Go all the way down to the bottom. We're making a little okay. And then in the middle area,
left to right, right to the honey line. Okay, now we're going to turn it into a feather. Okay, so you start here. You're going to kind of loop around to here. See? Like on this one. Okay, so you start there. Keep it kind of thick. And it's going to get a little skinnier as it goes to the bottom. Like that. Nice. Okay, then we're going to put some fluffies. You might want to get a different color. Okay, so we're going to make some fluffies kind of curl. Fluffies. As many as you want. Yeah, okay, then divide up your feather. So I've got some little divisions here. Yeah, go ahead, you can do your divisions differently. Some curvy lines, straight lines, pointy lines, like that one. There you go. Okay, now each section you can either color or make stripes or polka dots. Okay, let's go. You decide how you want to do it. I'm going to start with some green. I'm going to follow the pokey line. Yeah, and some orange. Solid in here. Very good. I like it. Okay, and maybe some red polka dots. Yeah, very good. And then, let's see. Oh, we can put another one in there. And then you can do another color. Maybe some straight lines across. And maybe some polka dots. Maybe a solid somewhere. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then maybe another color. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, I'm missing purple, one of my favorite colors. Oh, yeah, more polka dots, getting skinnier. And maybe a solid. And there's our feather. Voila!